Hey there. Need cash and want to avoid out-of-network ATM fees? Finding a fee-free Bank of America ATM is easy with their mobile app and location finder. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find one. Open your Bank of America mobile app and tap the locations icon. It looks like a pin on a map. You can also find this on bankofamerica.com. Enter your address or allow location access. The map will show all nearby Bank of America ATMs and branches. Any ATM at a Bank of America branch or labeled as a Bank of America ATM is fee-free for Bank of America customers. My crucial pro tip? Filter for ATMs only and 24 hours. Use the filters in the locator to show only ATMs, not branches, and those with 24-hour access. This is perfect for finding cash at any time of day or night without needing to go inside. That's how you get your money conveniently and keep all of it. Do you actively seek out your bank's ATMs, or do you just use whatever's closest and eat the fee? Let me know in the comments. For more practical money-saving tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.